Well, hello, champions, and welcome back to It's DawnyWawnyTime. Yeah! Cut. Okay, guys. Hi, champions. How are you all doing today? So glad you took a few minutes out to come and hang out with Dawny Wawny. My name is Dawn, and I am your host. Hey, didn't I sound professional with that one? In any event, I just did a video. I don't know when I'm going to upload it, but I have a kit in there, and it's all about the Black Radiance, the new Black Radiance kits, where you have a matte liquid lipstick and glitter to go on top. So I just wanted to do this one by itself. I'm not sure which video is going to go up first, but in any event, I talk about this just a little bit. I show it to you in the video, and today it's all about trying this little baby out on camera, okay? So we're going to see how this work out. Alright, this little jewel costs $9.99, 10 bucks. I picked it up in Walgreens, and it is a new item. So I was interested. It's glitter. What can I say? Okay? So, if you want to see how this all works out, is it a yay? Is it a nay? Whatever, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is Black Radiance. It's called Radiance Rocks Lip Kit. This is in the color Rose Quartz, okay? So the directions on here says bling out your lips with gorgeous color and mesmerizing glitter effects. The instructions say start with moist lips, because this is a matte liquid lipstick. It says start out with moist lips, then caress lips with velvety rich perfect tone matte lip cream. Use the enclosed applicator brush to sparingly dot Radiance Rock lip glitz over lip color. Say that 3 times fast. Blend as desired. The microfine glitter will stay put once the lip cream is set. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what this is all about. Okay, so here is the matte lipstick, and we're gonna go ahead and apply this. I have my mirror right here, so you see me looking down. That's why. This is the doe foot applicator. Okay, and again, the color is in rose quartz. You don't get a whole lot out at once. It feels kind of gritty already. And y'all know when I do these lip swatches, I'm just trying to let you see the color and how it applies. And I know I'm messy a lot with it, because I'm not trying to, you know, drag it out. But I hope you're enjoying the music that I have playing. Okay, then it says, so this is the glitter. Nice packaging. Okay, and there's supposed to be a brush. Okay, so the brush, it comes off this way. So you twist this, and there's the brush. And, oh Lord, it's sealed. Well, that's a good thing. Okay, so it's sealed with one of these little stopper things that you have to pull out. Kind of like get your nail up underneath it to pull it out. So we're going to take the brush. Boy. And that's the brush. It's a little bitty fine tip deal. And we're going to dip it in the glitter. Oh Lord, I need a bigger brush. Y'all seeing this? This is some real live glitter, y'all. I should get enough of these type of deals. Okay. Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna have to play with this a little more. What y'all thinking? It's a hot mess. This stuff is sticky. But let's just see, for the sake of argument, because I bet you it applies a whole lot better with that silicone. In my other video, I did a haul and I show you this silicone brushes for glitter. You see that? I can see that flaking off. I'm gonna try to add just a little. Let me put this on my hand because I don't want to get glitter all on my lip gloss thing here. Just to give it a little sheen, because to me it looks awfully dry. I don't know. You hear me saying I can't tell you that you need to have your lips exfoliated, and that could be part of my problem because I haven't done that in like 2 days. So this was probably the wrong time to do this video like this, but we just gonna roll with it, rock with it. Let me try a little lip liner to give it a little depth and make it work. That helped it out a little bit. Need to blend it out, but that helped it out a little bit. I don't know about this. I'm gonna have to play with this. I really am. I'm gonna have to play with this. I'm gonna have to play with this. That's a little better. Yeah, it's kind of chunky glitter. I can feel it on my lips, and that's the problem that I have. I had tried this once before with a different brand. It was called, the brand was Tattoo Junkie, and it was so drying on my lips. I just didn't care for it at all. But we're gonna try, we're gonna keep working with it. Let me just zoom in a little bit so y'all can see what I've done. I'm not sure I really like this, but we're gonna try. We're gonna try to work with it, okay? So that's it. That's all I wanted to share with you all today, because my other video where I presented this as in a haul video, it was kind of long, so I just kind of wanted to cut it short. I mean, I can deal with it. I'm gonna have to work with it a little bit. See, I feel that glitter on my lips, so I'm not sure. This may be something that I put on my eyes. You know what I'm saying? But we shall see. We shall see. So, that's it for today, champions. I'm so thankful and so glad to see you, that you stopped by to share a little of your day with little old Dawny Wawny. I am very, very appreciative. Hey, I'm going live now. I'm doing live videos. So if you do not want to miss my fun, crazy acting, where you see the real true blue Dawny Wawny, come check me out on my live videos. But so you won't miss it, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I go live. You'll also be notified when I post any videos. Currently my videos posting schedule is Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, okay? Next thing is, I'm going to be doing shout outs in every video starting next week. So, if you want to get a shout out, then just put in the comments, hashtag notification champ, CHAMP, short for champions, of course, right? And third and final is, I am over 500 champions. Yes! I'm so happy and so thankful. Thank you to everyone for all of your support in my channel. So that means that a giveaway is coming up. In that giveaway, I'm gonna have at least 3 winners. I'll be giving you the information about that next week as well, because I'm still trying to work out the logistics. Okay, so look forward to that, and thank you again for supporting It's DawnyWawnyTime. Again, have a most blessed evening, and until the next video, champions, let's uplift, let's encourage each other. Mwah. Smooches.